Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile, suppose your mobile is locked and while you are unlocking it, you will see here SOS number. I have written just like that, any number. So why this number is important, I am going to tell you. Not number, the text and the number is important. I am going to tell in this video. You have seen this theme. If you want this theme, how can you get this? I have already made a video on it. I will give the link of that video in the description of this video. So coming to the topic, suppose you are going somewhere and you are meeting with an accident, or you are getting your mobile lost somewhere. So in that case, when you are not there to open your mobile, someone want to contact you, how can it possible? In that case, your mobile is locked. When that person will touch your mobile, this number, suppose any number in emergency number is written here, that will come here. So if that man is gentleman, he will call that number and will take informations about you and may help you. So in that how you can write your number in case of emergency or your name, I am going to cover in this video. So just open this setting, and in setting just go to the lock screen. In lock screen, here contact information, just tap on it and write here in case of emergency, or wife number, or any friend number who is very much closer to you, you can write here, and their number also. So this number will be visible when anybody will touch the lock screen when your mobile is locked. Apart from that, secure lock setting, you can enter the pattern, and here you can also find many security settings, means make pattern visible. If you're turning on, then pattern is visible. Suppose I am turning it on, then pattern is visible. Turning it off, pattern will not be visible, and many other settings you can go through it. So main topic of this video, which I wanted to convey, that how do you put any emergency number or name here on the lock screen. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.